Hello, everybody. Today we are going to look at the five or even six top useful commands that we can run in actually run. Let's go. So, this is the first command, and this page of printer devices is shown. So, if you have any installed printers and drivers for those printers, they will be shown here. Next one is msconfig, right? What does msconfig does? It shows this page, right? You can select from this here safe puts, or if you have other Windowses, other OSs, you can choose them from here. You can choose whatever service you want to be enabled in the start of the Windows or not. You can take it there. And these are just nonsense. You don't need them anyway. I haven't used them at all in my 10 years of being IT man. And the next one is compmgmt, right? So this here is one of the most useful tools for us. Here you can add accounts, you can remove them, you can rename them, you can change their passwords, and so on and so forth. And you have device manager, you can install drivers, look what drivers are missing, or disable some of them. For example, some in some scenarios you will have problematic display drivers, so you will just disable them and your PC will be okay and fine, and so on and so forth. And there is another one, disk management. Here you can format the drives and make the system find new hard drives that are installed and not being shown in your my computer and stuff. And you can have task scheduler. This is one of the most important things in Windows. If you are an IT man, you must know this. I maybe make some videos later on for these, for each of these options here. But for now, let's go for the next command. Next command is services.msc. This here you can choose some services, for example, Telnet SSH or Windows Update, Hyper-V, and printer spooling, and so on and so forth. You will choose them from here. And this one here is something I usually cannot find, especially when the Windows 11 was firstly released. I couldn't find this option because there were some changes in the UI of the Windows. And here you can change your computer name, change the domain. This is most useful for IT mans in the companies. You can choose which domain are you a member of, and here you can tweak some performance. And in this place, you can just define some virtual memory and stuff like that. Environment variables, this is one of the most important things. And remotes. If you want to remote this stuff to your PC, like for example, you have two cases and you don't want to, and you have only one laptop, right? One monitor, right? So you don't want to change your connected monitor each case physically, but you want to have access to other computer as well. So you will make a LAN in your environment and um, use remote desktop to access. And last but not least, as they say, is shell startup. Right. Here you can choose what programs should be executed when you start the machine and log into your Windows. For example, you have a video that you want to be played as soon as you turn on the PC and log in. You can put it in here, or you want, for example, some configs to be run when you start the machine. You can put them here, for example, path files. I don't know, anything like this is just anything that is in this folder will be executed right when you log in. I don't have anything specific in mind right now, so I will just pass it. Maybe in other videos we'll mention them. And actually, there's another option that I want to show you that is temp. What does this do? When you use softwares, their software information is stored here. So if you have issues with Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or After Effects, you can just delete the whole delete the whole files here, and your PC will perform much better. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it's helpful for you, and see you next time.